Top girl Chanel Muir is back with another hot freestyle session.
Acres over markets. Link my man when I want sex. Cause if side man breed yo, your main man not go feed yo.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic. Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. I hope everyone is doing well today. Now people, if you are a fan of the top girl Chanel Muir, you already know she operates. So me I say when you go up on her live karaoke or go on, or she does do some freestyle. But a good little while now, me not see she do some freestyle tune like that. You know what I mean? She not do a live where she does a freestyle, but she did one yesterday. Some of the video for showing you. Now the first tune me I got showing the people, it's kind of explicit. So if you are a person we're not really too used to or like the indecent language, me a gonna heads up so no get caught off guard, right? But my promise, she have another tune where she has sing conscious song, is singing and very touching, emotional. You know say she have that side to her too, so we can stick around for that part there. So people, the first song she has sing do about some man will love kiss and tell for lack of better words. You know them man they will love call woman name and chat woman and you know what I mean, conversate with them friend them about oh girl this and girl that, you know. So she a burn a fire, she a rip for the woman them and she a say no for them boy we attack them just love talk.
Alright, yo. Not tell no lie, pa my pussy one time you get my pussy or hype and a chat beer fuckery. A chat boy you fuck me and me fuck you. You alone come Scooby-Doo. Cause if for me like you wanna talk about it, me have to sit down and laugh about it. Man have time for talk about a cocky way so short. You a girl go and go pull up all your drawers. Cause if for me like you wanna talk about it, me have to sit down and laugh about it. Man have time for talk about a cocky way so short. You a girl go and go pull up all your drawers. A boy you just chat too much, you love flap too much. Bamba! Boom! Ain't for my boy. Talk too much. Talk too much. One thing me I tell you, not tell no lie pa my pussy one time you get my pussy wipe and a chat beer fuckery. A chat boy you fuck me and me fuck you. You alone come Scooby-Doo. Cause if for me like you me wanna talk about it, me have to sit down and laugh about it. Man have time for talk about a cocky way so short. You a girl go and go pull up all your drawers. Cause if for me like you me wanna talk about it, me have to sit down and laugh about it. Man have time for talk. Nah, beat them today.
So no year what go on people. So the one thing me respect about this girl overall is just her ability to sing different kind of song. You know what I mean? When it is time and place for a different song, a time and place for a different song. She can sing that song there. She can tell us that she a top girl. She can give the woman them, you know what I mean, boost them self-esteem and make them feel like they're my best thing, you know what I mean? Even though they never bald in a lace wig. If you don't get what me I try to say. But people, the next song where she'll sing, real touching. It sound like a real story to like a true story. She a sing about fear life. She a like call people name like in her family. It sound like, you see me. And then every artist can do that. That's why I have a special respect for this artist. And we hear she talk about album and say she want to drop an album by the end of the year. I know I say it possible because she have the talent to do it. She not short a song. She not short a inspiration. And that song I want me I go play for now. Prove it. So take a listen to this one. Here goes.
That's me change the mood quick. Yeah. Remember? Me get a call, Chanel, the house in a flames. Police just kill Gawain. Them say for Ted for dead too. Begging please don't make them get you. 2 weeks after me get our next call. Chanel, your next uncle gone. Me say why? But me not ask why me ask when me I gonna smile again. When me I gonna laugh again. When me I gonna see the happiness of the road the bend. Why? When me I gonna smile again. When me I gonna laugh again. When me I go see the happiness of there on the bench, so you know how me feel. When me see my mommy and you want her, yo, me wish she money woulda come faster. Now stop trying to believe in all the master. No John will never left out him daughter. So you know how it hurt me, it hurt me, it hurt me. We can't even help me father. Honey words, call life, call life, call life. Life forget harder. Mommy says Chanel, never forget your real friends. When me always catch up from them, know you can afford Benz. You never know them cause they really know for pretend. Them get the wind up cause the system we are freedom. I have a little that's okay, I'm fine. Because nobody thinks Chanel me or no bad mind. Them a try to take my strength. Then I want to see me shine, but me I tell them say yeah. Me ask you when me I go smile again. So you don't know how me feel. So you don't know how me feel, yeah. Them don't know how me feel, no. Them don't know how me feel, yeah. Them don't know how me feel, no. Them don't know, yeah.
Impeccable. Most delighted to hear that. People don't know say she full of talent, and like me say she have a wide range where variety is concerned. I love them female who can sing music where everybody can listen to. You see what I say? Big up all our female artists, you know, them do them thing. But this is one where can sing a song where as a man me can even relate to. I may talk about on an emotional level where me can kick back and say, you know, see some real things Chanel Mirror does say. You see me? Real life things she a talk about, things were relatable to both males and females. We are talking about life itself. But now people, at time for she go in an exhibition mode. You know, she can do that too. So the next part of me I go show now just straight exhibition, I just straight flexing, I just lyrical flexing.
Not show me look cute and not show me pretty. Me we both a fat shot pan a iniquity. Come me say ride or die my city. No more crime rate, I like my be city. And if them stop me won't stop, come in and show pity. A straight a dove cut a down a book city. Cause them no bad like that a city. Not house town from you living in a glass city. Me know me evil, so me not trouble people. But if a trouble buckle up and take a beating. Looks deceive, I bet you no believe. Those who they make me head sick for this season. And I not nice if me call and beating. Me not think twice, yo Chanel the reason. Yeah, come me no like talk, me think them talk for me. And anyway me go me have to walk with it. Me not take check but my cash check. A flank of me grow or endless. Anyway me want me to pay them greed. And in a take nothing for my crazy. Everything flat when my next step. No business who you are dead left. No me you forget the money up in a disc. Cause if you're this you we bleed like cut in a wrist. Me born in a badness top of the list. So listen this me we kill you with the lyrics. Since you want see bad side of me, feel your bad come stand upside of me. Me have the thing wanna jam upside of me. Because I'm 6'6", brother. Yeah. Come my gun name 55 minus 10. Any girl try this, me minus them. Shot in a your nose like a virus sin. Me make girl like a sinus friend. Yo, me no left it in a me drawers waist. And no girl can box man I'm a pussy cloud face. Man a ram fi papa, ya girl me no trace. How me fi trip on me shoes now no leaves. Bust it anywhere if me feel like it. This another movie, a real life clip. Bad girl from Mobile, you mo feel like chip. But take a girl money if mo feel like it. Come in and need sponsor, my thugs and go money like banker. Can't this no man from flanker. Hey.
When you see that, so me are telling us that the top girl is well-rounded where music is concerned. She have the arsenal for self-defense. She have the song them where we make you want to cry. She have the song them for boost the self-esteem of the ladies them. She have all kind of song people. And the thing what I admire about her also is that she not partial. She play any artist song, new artist, no problem. Because right after this, she start play the artist Tentic song. And if you don't know Tentic, he have a song where Lucky Place basically called Roll Deep right now. If you don't know that, check it out. You see me? So people, big up the top girl one more time. When you tell me what to think about this, so me I say thanks for watching. But just gonna leave it right there so. And everybody does stay safe out there. And big up on yourself. So me I say get in the comment section. Tell me what you feel about the lyrics. You see me? So take care, stay safe.
We got that one in my AP. That's LIG. Atina. Excuse me. That's LIG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yadi.